Hey guys, welcome back to more unboxing. Today I have a bag, so it's not really unboxing, it's more like unbagging, but still, you get the concept. So let's see what's in here. There is a box in there, so technically it is kind of unboxing. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. It's a Windex box. That's so funny. I didn't think it would be Windex, but it is Windex. Okay. So technically, we've got unboxing because this is in a rectangular box. That is good packaging. Good packaging. Because sometimes I've had things that are liquid that come leaking and I'm instantly upset. Has anybody had that happen? It's not fun. So that came really nicely packaged. Got some Windex, great. Let's see what else I have. So that's one bag, one box. And then I have another one. So let's see what's in this one. Bronzing drops, thank goodness, because I was running low on these. I feel like my old box or my old container looked really bad. If you follow me on Instagram, you know what I'm talking about. So nano bronze, I love this. This is just to kind of give you some quick bronzing effect on top of your foundation or just on the go on top of your self-care skin routine. If you wear sunblock, I like to wear sunblock with like a little bit of tint. So I use the Ulta MD sunscreen slash whatever with the tint, and then I add a little bit of these drops and it gives a really natural, glowy, summerish, sun-kissed tan. So this is on my subscribe list. It's on my Amazon storefront page if anybody wants to order some. I highly recommend those. And I have one more bag. And let's see if I can just with this one. I can. Okay, so this one is a corduroy dress. Super cute. Okay. I could see it. I'm curious to try it on. I kind of want to try it on and see. I am definitely going to try it on. But I love it. The texture feels amazing. It is, you look closely, you can tell it's corduroy. And it's flowy. Excited to try this on. I wonder, I'd probably wear like some sort of t-shirt crop top underneath that's tight, maybe like, I don't know what color, white. Yeah, I'm excited to see what outfit I come up with that. So that's it for today. See you guys next time. Bye.